My dear friends, today my topic is the application of a potentiometer, and that application is to compare the EMF of two cells. To compare EMF of two cells. So I am having a cell of EMF E1, second cell of EMF E2. I am interested what is E2 by E1 or E1 by E2. Suppose E1 is 2 volt and E2 is of 8 volt. Then what will be the E2 by E1? 8 by 2, that is 4. But if I don't know what is E1, I don't know what is E2, then but I'm interested for finding E2 by E1, then how it will be possible? Okay, how I compare the EMF of two cells? That is this application. With this application, I can do this. I can find E2 by E1, no problem. Okay, how? So in a potentiometer, this is a long wire made up of constantan or magnet. You know the reason why it is constantan or magnet? Please write me in the comments box. And this is a basic circuit which sends the current to the potentiometer wire. What is this circuit? A battery, ammeter, off-on key, rheostat. What is the function of rheostat? To adjust the current which is given to potentiometer wire. Okay, we can adjust the current, and current can be read with the help of ammeter. Okay, so this battery sends the current. Now what will happen here? Suppose this battery is of 10 volt, and out of 10 volt some voltage appears here across the resistor, and some voltage also develops or falls on the wire, and rest of the voltage, I suppose the rest of the voltage is 8 volt. Then here the voltage will be plus 4, here will be minus 4. So plus 4 to minus 4, that is the 8 volt. Okay, I may think the battery is of 8 volt and no voltage is here, no voltage is appearing here. Or the 8 volt of the battery, the whole battery, that voltage develops here, plus 4 to minus 4. But actually what happens, if it is 10, some voltage develops here, some on the wire, and rest of the voltage comes here. So here voltage is 8, mean plus 4 to minus 4. Now I am having a circuit of EMF E1 and E2. They are two cells. Okay, and I may think this cell is of 2 volt, suppose, but I don't know the value. Okay, this cell is of 4 volt, and I also don't know what is E1 and what is E2. So there are two cells. So there are two keys. This key A, key B, and then a galvanometer, and then a wire and a jockey. Right? Now what happened? First of all, I make the contact here. When I make the contact here, this is broken. So this battery will be out of the circuit because this circuit is broken. This cell comes in the circuit. Like this circuit completes like this. Okay. Now here between this end and this end, first of all you forget it. I am saying here plus 4, minus 4. Mean here will be plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Now what I do, I just this is the jockey, na? I touch the jockey here first of all. When I touch the jockey here, there is one voltage on the wire. How much? Plus 4 and plus 3. Plus 4 to plus 3. What is the difference? 1 volt. The difference will mean when I touch the jockey here, this voltage will be 1 volt. This voltage is 2 volt. Okay. So if there is a circuit like 1 and 2 and a resistance, this is 1 volt, this is 2 volt. Okay. Now if it is 2 volt, this is less voltage, this is more voltage. So the current will start in the circuit according to this cell. This is bigger. Mean current will flow like this. Okay. Mean galvanometer will show the deflection. Okay. Then if I touch the jockey at this point, so what will happen? What is the wire on the voltage? Wire on the voltage is plus 4 and plus 2. What is the difference? Difference is 2 volt. The wire voltage is 2 volt. Wire voltage is 2 volt. And this one, it is also 2 volt. What is net voltage in the circuit? 0. So galvanometer show a deflection 0. So that means we note down this length from here to here. From this length is suppose L1. Okay. Then the principle of the potentiometer. The principle of potentiometer is the voltage is directly proportional to the length. Or you can say E1 equals to KL1. Mean we touch the jockey here, galvanometer showing 0 deflection, then this voltage will be KL1 and KL1 will be equals to this EMF, like I am giving here the example. Okay. Now I am coming to the second cell, which is of the 4 volt. Now I release the key from here. Now this circuit is broken and I contact this circuit. I may contact this. Now this circuit, this EMF E1 cell will be out of circuit. Now E2 cells comes in the circuit. Okay. Now I touch the jockey the previous position, mean here. So what is voltage on the wire? Plus 4 and plus 2. Mean the difference is 2. So this is this is 2 volt. This is 2 volt. 2 volt is on the wire. And what is this voltage? 4 volt. This is 4 volt. So if you are having 2 volt here and 4 volt here, then the current will flow according to this cell. Mean current will flow like this because 4 is bigger. Mean galvanometer will show a deflection. Now what happened? I may contact the jockey at here at 0. So what is here? Plus 4, 0. What is the voltage on the wire? 4 volt. What is voltage here? 4 volt. So no current will flow in this circuit because this is 4 volt. Sorry, from here to here 4 volt. This cell is of 4 volt. So 4 volt and 4 volt. What happened? The difference is 0. No current flow. Again galvanometer showing 0 deflection. We note down this length now. This length is L2. And what is voltage on the wire? KL2. KL2 balances this EMF. Okay, because galvanometer showing 0 deflection. So this is our E2. So I know E1, I know E2. Now what is E1 upon E2? E1 upon E2 is KL1 upon KL2. K cancels. L1 upon L2. L1 upon L2. So if I know L1 upon L2, that means I know E1 upon E2. And what was L1? what was L1? L1 when balances the E1, when galvanometer is showing zero deflection. What is L2 from here to here? When it balances this and galvanometer is showing zero deflection. So, because I know L1, I know L2, I know L1, I know L1, I know L2. So, that means I know E1 upon E2, which is L1 upon L2. So, this is all about this practice. Now, a very important point, when you make the connection, the positive pole of the battery, this positive of the cell, this positive of the cell, they all should be connected at this end, at one end. Okay, your circuit will not work if you ignore the polarity. Okay, positive pole of the battery, positive of the cell, they all should be at one point. Okay, this is the how we compare EMF of the two cells. नया एक रिश्ता पैदा क्यों करें हम? बिछड़ना है तो झगड़ा क्यों करें हम?
नया एक रिश्ता पैदा क्यों करें हम? बिछड़ना है तो झगड़ा क्यों करें हम?
नया एक रिश्ता पैदा क्यों करें हम? खामोशी से अदा हो रस्म दूरी, खामोशी से अदा हो रस्म दूरी कहते थे ट्रेडिशन ऑफ डिस्टेंस। खामोशी से अदा हो रस्म दूरी, कोई हंगामा बर्पा क्यों करे?
खामोशी से अदा हो रस्म दूरी, खामोशी से अदा हो कोई हंगामा बर्पा क्यों करे?